We are doing the risers exercise for week 22, which is week 16 if we wouldn't have switched them. The purpose to demonstrate why bubbles form in a glass of soda. We have our materials, scissors, rulers, paper towels, a plastic drinking cup and paper plate, paper clip, and colorless soda. We're going to cut a piece of paper that is 2 inches longer than the height of the paper cup. Okay, we're going to attach the paper clip to one end of the strip, and this is done so that for weight only. You don't observe the paper clip. It's just going to be done so that the paper will go to the bottom of the cup. All right, so there we go. Okay, and then we're going to fill the glass with soda. I'll have white soda bottles. Thankfully my kids were sick, so I have some white soda here in my house. Fill it up as much as we can. Okay, and you can see that the bubbles are forming already on the cup, and although I don't know if you can see that, there's just a lot of bubbles on the edge of the cup, and then we're going to see why. Okay, so they do want you to, even before you put the paper in, to see that there's more bubbles on the edge of the cup than in the middle. Okay, then we're going to lower the weighted paper clip slowly into the cup. Come on, you need to go down, buddy. Try again. Okay, so I'm going to put a second paper clip on there real quick. Maybe even a third. Again, this is just for weight, so it doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure that it's going to sink. And I'll put it down again. There it fell. Okay, and then they want you to see that now all of a sudden there's a lot more bubbles. There's a lot more bubbles around the paper, and it started to make all kinds of new bubbles around there. And I guess the hypothesis would be, does lowering the paper towel cause more bubbles, and where would those bubbles be? And they're really just kind of coming all up from around the paper towel, and that is because of the pockets of air. So let's see what this says. The results, bubbles are seen throughout the glass, but more form on the sides of the glass and the surface of the paper. The soda contains tiny invisible bubbles of the dissolved carbon dioxide gas. Any microscopic crack in the glass or particles in the soda provide a place for the tiny bubbles to stick, combine with the other bubbles, and grow larger. The rough surface of the paper towel provides many places for the dissolved gas to stick. When the bubbles are large enough, they break away from the paper and float to the surface. Thus, a stream of bubbles rises from the surface of the paper. And that's really what was, you can even see it, you can still see it happening. The bubbles are rising from the surface of that paper because of all of those pockets of air that where the carbon dioxide gas can go. So that's pretty cool. That's the end of the science experiment. Again, it'll be in either the big kitchen or the little kitchen, so we'll have more time for each group. Okay, bye.